Okay, now we will talk about the origin of sociology. Like before the study of sociology started, was there any way through which people studied society or not? So now they have said that sociology as a social science, okay, developed 175 years ago. So 175 years ago, sociology as a subject of social science was developed. But before that, was there any systematic or was there any proper way to study society or not? So they have said yes. When you read the Greek thinkers, especially Plato and Aristotle, you will come to know that there was a systematic way or a proper way to study sociology, or to study society. So we had two Greek thinkers, okay, one was Plato and the other one was Aristotle. Remember these two names. Okay, they spoke about social inequality. Inequality, what is equality? Equality means treating everybody equally, treating everybody same. And what is inequality? Not treating everybody same. ઓકે, જે લોકો રિચ હોય એને વધારે તમે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ આપો, જે લોકો પુઅર હોય એને જરાય ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ ન આપો, દેટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ એઝ ઇનઇક્વાલિટી. ઇનઇક્વાલિટી મીનિંગ નોટ ટ્રીટિંગ એવરીબડી equally or not treating everybody as same, while equality means treating everybody as same. They also spoke about division of labor. Division of labor means that people are divided into high class, middle class and low class. Okay, that is how people are divided based on the money they earn. So Plato and Aristotle spoke about these two things. Okay, now the other one was Ibn Khaldun. Okay, now Ibn Khaldun did a comparative study of nomads. Comparative એટલે compare કરવું, બે વસ્તુને compare કરવી is called comparative study. So he studied nomads. Who are nomads? Nomads are those people who move from one place to another place to find food, to find shelter, to find house, to find anything else. Those are called as nomads. એ લોકો એક જગ્યાએ પોતાનું ઘર કોઈ વાર નહીં રાખે. They will keep on moving. So he did a comparative study of nomads, and he also studied a static group of Arabs. Static group એટલે the groups who remain in one position. They don't keep moving from one place to another place. So, and Arabs is who? The place in Arabic countries, okay, like Dubai, Middle East, all these are called as Arab countries. Okay, so what did Ibn Khaldun do? That he compared nomads, okay, people who keep on moving, and he compared people who remain in one place and who do not keep on moving. Okay, and when he compared these two groups, he said that human history is from the process of evolution. He said human beings have developed themselves from evolution. Evolution એટલે પહેલાં આપણે લોકો મંકી હતા, રાઈટ? પછી મંકીમાંથી ધીરે ધીરે આપણે human beings બન્યા. That is called as evolution. So he said કે human history, કે how did human beings start, where did they start? Okay, it is all answered in your evolution. Okay, and he also spoke about social change that occurred. Now the other scholars who studied sociology or who studied society at that time were Thomas Hobbes, John Locke, Rousseau, etc. Okay, so I will just redo this part because it's a little confusing. So before sociology, was there any systematic way or was there any proper way to study society or not? Because sociology developed 175 years ago. But any પહેલા શું હતું? Okay, what was there before that? We don't know. So they said that the study of society began, okay, with the writing of Greek thinkers, especially Plato and Aristotle. They spoke about social equality and division of labor. Social inequality. What is social inequality? Not treating everybody same. That is what is inequality. So Plato and Aristotle spoke about social inequality, and they also spoke about division of labor. That is dividing the population based on the money they earn, that is high class, middle class and low class. Next person who studied society was Ibn Khaldun. He compared two groups. First he compared two groups. One group was the nomads. Nomads mean people who keep on moving, and the other group was the static group. Static એટલે એક જગ્યાએ સ્થિર રહી ગયેલું, જે મૂવ ન કરે એક જગ્યાએથી બીજી જગ્યાએ. સો એને એ બે ગ્રુપ્સને કમ્પેર કર્યા, and he said that human history is formed from evolution. Evolution means what? That first we were monkeys and how we developed as human beings. So he said that human history is all dependent on this evolution, and he also spoke about social change. Other scholars were Thomas Hobbes, John Locke and Rousseau.